Okay, we have just concluded our bulky waste to wonder. This is the second year. I hope the students are inspired to actually, trying to repurpose it rather than throw it into the incineration. The intention is for the students to really rethink how do we repurpose this kind of bulky waste into something more fashionable and can actually be used again.
今天非常开心，大家能够在这个18罗宾森我们的 Johnson 的一个体验中心和教育中心，然后孩子们就是学生们能够在这里，能够和我们的企业的一些设计师，还有我们的建筑师和我们的制作工厂一起联手，把这个环保能够真正的是落在我们的生活当中，变废为宝，把它做成一个现实。也很开心，就是新加坡的公共理事会能够携手我们一起，还有包括我们的新加坡的教育部，能够真的是联手一起打造这个我们的美好的新加坡的一个共同的一个家园。
This is such an excellent initiative, and we're really truly thankful to have the support of the Ministry of Education as well as our students and younger generations to support us in keeping Singapore clean and protecting our earth, especially in the year of public hygiene.